In this video, we have collected and picked up 10 different iPhone apps for your reference. You can go through them and get the one you're interested in according to your own needs. Top 10 Best iPhone Apps That You Can't Miss. 1. Todomovies 3 Free iPhone Movie Apps. Todomovies 3 enables the user to browse and search movies from a rich database of movies. You can save your searches and watch them at a later date, but you get to watch a trailer of the movie with a single tap. 2. Traposo. Traposo is useful to both iPhone and iPad users. This is a free travel guide application with variety of destinations. Its amazing feature is that it builds a city walk for the user. It is very useful to visitors, especially when you are offline and had downloaded and saved your app data. 3. Photosynth iPhone Camera App. As a prominent panorama app, Photosynth makes it easy to create and share your photos. You get likes, comments, and follows according to your activity on the community. 4. Runkeeper iPhone Health App. Previously, this application had a paid and a free version, but the developer has combined all the features into one version for free. It is for those who would like to keep a good track of their improvement during exercising activities. 5. Dropbox. This is an app designed for sharing and storing user files. You can transfer file from your computer to your iPhone device in an easy way. 6. Reuters. This is a news app and covers a wide area of topics, making it among the best under its categories. Users can customize the news they want to read and get to read those from their country. 7. 1Password. This app enables users to store and secure their passwords in a single wallet. It creates strong passwords for all websites, stores them and remembers them, and it will log user into any website they have used before by a simple tap. 8. A Handy Level Free. This is a carpenter toolkit app that transforms your iPhone into a spirit level. It gives accurate measurements by just taping the calibrate button. 9. eBay Application. This allows you to access one of the world's largest marketplace. This application enables users to manage their buy and sell activity the easy way from anywhere. 10. Zombie Highway 2. This is a games application where users play it with the goal of surviving. The player is a passenger armed to try and defeat a boatload of strong zombies.